Welcome back to another MARKETIQ educational video. In this video, we're going to be discussing major Forex pairs along with their nicknames, as well as the difference between base currency and quote currency. So as you can see on the image on the screen, we have two columns. The left column is a list of all the major Forex currencies, and on the right pair is their nicknames. Now, the left column is definitely something you need to write down and be able to recite without your notes. The nicknames aren't as mandatory, but it is good information to know. So take a minute and write these down. So now that you've written down that information, let's go over it once. USD is the US dollar. The euro is EUR. JPY is the Japanese yen. GBP is the British pound. CHF is the Swiss franc. CAD is the Canadian dollar. AUD is the Australian dollar. And NZD is the New Zealand dollar. Now we're going to go over the difference between base currency and quote currency. So as you can see on the screen, we have the US dollar paired with the Canadian dollar. The base currency, in this case the US dollar, is paired first, and the quote currency is paired second, which in this case is the Canadian dollar. And that applies to any pair. So if you were wanting to buy this, you would want the US dollar to rise against the Canadian dollar. And if you were wanting to sell it, you would want the US dollar to fall against the Canadian dollar.